in the Sugar City. May naisa sa pakara, mba, raki-raki, nandi, na matagdikua, Miandra ni Matavinaka.
Well, good morning to each and everyone joining this morning, even though it's 27th of November. Only 3 days left for this month to be completed, but we are thankful for us here in, for, excuse me.
Hey, what's wrong?
Some unicorn.
Unicorn may also.
For we are lucky enough to be part of this morning because some of us are unfortunate enough to they are not here today.
Right.
And I would like to take this time to thank ando talaga na wekado tungo bakatingo. Mbukoroi kinoya one love kababa ang karaviti ko na sini ko na kena sungo ni betalali we mbukoroi boni binaka and abuni songo ni kuwa and not forgetting to the people the student out there, they are looking forward for their prize giving. Some of them they are looking forward for their graduation, but some of them they miss secondary school, especially to the form 7. Some of the class 8 they miss the primary school. They'll be the baby of the secondary school next year. They are senior for this year, but they will be the baby for the secondary school next year. Some of the secondary school will the baby of the tertiary next year. But for the kindy, they're looking forward for class 1. They'll be their another step forward for their class. Year 1 next year.
Okay, benar we kibinin na kada kirno mga nasigo we kibinin na lubibiti ni sementu pagayaw na bese berbura ni Andri Matavinaka. We say good morning to all the friends out there in Bararavel in Singatoka.
Oh, Mbulbinaka.
Mr. Kumar and the family. Mbulbinaka.
Right.
We say good morning to all the staff of every hotel.
Holy.
In Fiji, especially in the western side of Fiji. Ada binaka may na Malolo Island Resort, ito Malolo kini ito Mamanuda. Ito yung sambal balabu ni Andra ni Matavinaka.
I would like to take this time to thank yesterday we have our graduation. The Nasinu, the Salvation Army Nasinu.
Who?
Kindergarten Asgang.
Oi.
Where Abu is schooling.
Oh, I thought you.
No. Our as parents we went there. For the graduation.
And why did you call us? Why?
No, this is for the graduation
because
first.
After function, you and the other parents.
The parents we went together to the Any Style Bar. At Lolombu. I would like to take this time to thank each parents. They come together as a whole. We are doing one Sibsebu and the Thanksgiving.
Oh, okay.
Na babu ni binakan ni sa may daman ng rabul ng one.
Right.
We was happy enough. Yesterday, thankful to that student. Full house. To Tinay Hadasa, Tamay Hadasa, to Tamay Samu and the family.
Some powder.
Oh.
That's why you didn't call us. Okay, Setsugo.
Tinay Yaraseni to Tinay Milakere and Tamay Milakere. We was there yesterday, but thank to everybody for the well support to the kids, not only Salvation Army, to all Fijian abroad, to all the parents, guardian. Some of the parents maybe their parents passed away, some of the students. But thankful to the grandmother, to the guardian for well support the student for their academic year.
One lady from Kandavu there.
Oh, big, so many.
Okay.
So many girl from Kandavu. Thankful also to the Tinihadasa from Ba. And the family. To Tobata, the Tamihadasa. Thank you very much for the well support yesterday. To Tamay Samu and the firefighter in Valelevu.
Oh, the chief firefighter.
Chief firefighter. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Harap kita bentar tampanan ni buka Valelevu. Ini benar kerana boleh bitokan yang matangaliku. Okay. Our program this morning is about Hula Bagabiti. This is the way our forefathers used to follow the Hula Bagabiti. Every month, they have their own.
Gori.
Okay. Nanon Hula Bagabiti na tukan da connect sa tunga na bi kambula. Sindo na kay kambuli nga.
Gori.
Be kambuli.
Okay.
Na be ka keder connect kino nontan kasi era kambula.
Hindi na.
Koy ko katskin. Okay. Do you have another dedication there?
Nakorongo mengena numikine maniapa patikerto menambuni kanta menambuni songo ni kuwa ni betala de bembukuro ngo momonde beke ladi wakili.
Okay. Navula Inungalevu,
before we go to Navula Inungalevu, we say good morning to Passione.
Passione who?
Passione Macasiale. This is a driver of the church, Anglican church here in Suba. The only driver who is a very armed driver. Very sharp in the night and bright in the day.
What they liu, what they talaga iburi. Okay. Navula Inungalevu.
This is a very,
according to our forefathers, is called Vula Inungalevu.
This is a big fish in the sea.
Right. Okay, Ramona Pamadal Tango. My way level kin nunga patakena key.
There's so many key and the lock in the fish.
Katona Kanamba.
Too much terror in the. This is where they are doing the symmetry in the sack.
Right na matandra na vindi na sinu.
This is when you see the plantation is moving like a prawn.
Matoti ko na kuku.
Kuku.
Kola patakena kay koso.
Kuku is very oldish, and the kaikoso is a seashell.
Ati na vivili mandrali mbosutu tanruku.
Mandrali is when people are looking for powering when doing the Vakanriko.
Okay. Diri mainan rose melongunu.
This is when you see Propaten Rose is afloat on the sea.
Okay, cenwer talaga na bunin nungalebu. Nganga kina pagalebu, nganga pagalebu na ika na kena bonua.
This is when the toxic substance is in the sea with the water and the fish.
Okay. Na bulay sebu ya na bula February.
Bulay sebu is the first ever fruit or animal you raise, you go and bring it to the February. Oh, this is when you see the stars in the clouds.
Se bulati ko ni buatan reuna wi ke nandawa matuna iwi.
This is the ripening session for fruit salad.
Okay, may wai sa otina nunga patake na ki.
In the water you can even see the key and the fish.
Okay, the bula match na bula keli.
Match is when you digging.
Taumbi na uda na weni nga sa ulutu da siasi.
Heavy rain, too much bullet and also to the rainfall.
Ulutu da siasi. Okay, one Alright, go. Wai go. Era kumukumun nandilio merva robuka.
The only animal they had their eggshell.
Dapa naman na matuno ku kapatagyan ng gari.
This is when the crab and the seashell they are mature enough.
Okay. Dapa naman ito'y uro na ika tolo.
No more fish, but very, very chubby. The fish in the sea and too much contaminated.
Okay, tongo. Nabula everly nabula ingasaw.
Everly is when you see the ngesaw.
Ngesaw. Okay. Tauti ko nga nauda, do nauda mbi na way ninduruka.
This is when you see the rain is falling, but a big rain, heavy rain. This is for Nduruka to be.
Okay, do etan tal tungan na ipakambona ninduruka. Please, Demesi, tell us more about the rain which is called the Pakambona ninduruka.
The Pakambona ninduruka is when you see the rain is falling.
Right.
But a heavy rain. This is for the Nduruka to be manufactured in the way, the natural way, to demolish the eternity of the expiry date.
Wait for next year.
For next year.
May wai gonna bula April go.
In the water.
May wai santa pa naman naman to ng gari kuka.
There is a mature season for the crab shell.
Nrabati ko na wai tui lebunga na sala labata kay natungan ra.
No more fish, only selala and the tungira.
Selala in Maniava.
Selala in Maniava is now in Lami, in Matata. That's why you see this fella never marry because of the Bula Bagaviti.
Bula ingasawe. Okay. Na bula indoi, via indo no ike na bula me.
The month of Noi is close to the goat.
Sabi oti nan rakida, lala talaga na namu ke na, leli talaga na namu bata kinalamo.
There is no fish. The weather is gone. There is less flies. Less mosquito.
Right.
Because all the mosquito is feed enough during December.
Okay. May wain rapati ko nga lewo nga nandani pa sa lala bata kinasara.
No more fish. But only Deneva and Sarah.
Right. Ngauna ni ngoli lawa.
This is when you use the mosquito net to take you to the river, to the sea, to the house.
Bulo chune, bulo were.
The June is for cutting grass.
Sakune na tobuto.
Oh, this is when you are about to marry, you are looking for the tambua. He's around. He's around.
Don't need to put again a bulo chulai.
July is when duki is when you plowing in the land. for plantation.
May waing ko libin ang taniba o siya batakina matu.
This is when you see the taniba, the horse is on the sea.
Sa doon talaga may sa tigabu teya so nakaw may baka na nrala batakina basili.
You need to plant the vessel. And also to the dial.
Batakina basili, batakina nrala.
And the vessel and the dial.
Kail na bulay senin nrala,
Iyo.
sen na bulay kawa-kawa, bento nuke na bulo ko sita.
Kewa-kewa.
Iya, ah?
Kewa-kewa.
Iya.
Ngona kawa-kawa.
Iya.
Kewa-kewa.
Batakina bulay senin nrala.
The month of the leguminous plant
Iya.
is on the
Sita.
Oxita.
Bulan raki vele deaki.
This is when the wind, the air, the atmosphere, the humidity, the vapor
Iya.
is demolished in the future generation.
Sen nrala kena misi-misi.
There is a mission
Iya.
for the plants to exploit their flowers.
Na bulay babakanda en dono itu na bulo September.
The Vivekanda
Yeah.
is close.
Iya.
It's matching the September.
Kena bulay balolo laylay evento ni batakina bulo kotoba.
Balolo is continuously matching
Iya.
the October.
Bulay balolo levu en dono itu na bulo November.
Balolo level is continuously to the November.
Do takina ng balolo.
They cutting the paragraphs.
Ano ba kori? Okay. Nabula inungga laylay na bulo December. Last one for us.
Nungalaylay
Iyo.
is when the small fish
Iyo.
is matching the December.
May waito ni na wea thoko namba na thoko ya namba na ki.
This is when you are using the
Kiteg.
apa?
Kiteg.
The kiteg for manufacture the key and lock.
Baka lubeni na keteleka sanga kinawalu.
This is when they give birth, they multiply, they continuously the sanga and the small stomach.
So na banua sa tatalikina ng balolo.
Some place they cutting the balolo.
Ya na nonto bulo babiti ya na matango.
That's what we call
Yeah.
the family tree.
Ya benar, kami kini kada kami kada pamuri pabina kan nonton bulu babiti. Kaya kiro tu kuno cikori nonton kasi. Sem sartu ngakira bonton tu nabi ka cikui wai.
Yeah.
Mata kina nabi ka tiku bonua.
Right.
Nakaka nandina, nakaka na kena idoi. Cikui wai tui. Nakamoda ka wamo tini donu. Menta na buli tu pabina nonton bulu babiti.
Right.
Menta kay pamuri amanda.
Donu.
Pamuri amanda.
Iya.
Eta na kaci sartu nga nonton bulu nabi sing.
Pakandua.
Iyo. Sa.
Sama nini binatu ni bikin ni
Kinabali
kanda
usara.
kinabali usar na numuni loloma.
Iyo.
Nandang kita itu na bit FM 92.2 FM.
Iyo.
Sino labi kina birna kandar siya matumay penotani. Suara satu tu bakatung ko merasa price visit mai.
Iyo.
Suara sa banggo isa sa sabi to toloyan. So talangar sa nanamag itu mertos may sarungan ni tutuku. Isa kadimba kombu.
Oy.
Sa kadimba ko momo. Sa kadimba kan don lin bubale. Sandang may bubale bata tu bonin daka darong tu na bidana bakenggo. Bidan le ni nonta bubale bata kami punotani ersa me kadibi iya sini bata kana nonta sasanga tunga nonta to selio na kenang karab tunga na inaki nonta tiku mai punotani
Iya.
ena kena to koni tunga na daka
Dono bo menaka.
panu ni binaka gonde Messi
Kurumundo ko.